Okay, in this video we look a little bit about the NewQSO form and what is new in that form. So we open the log like this, and it looks very same than before. Some preferences to check. The callbook support, I have put it here, my call sign and my account, and the NewQSO. I have set here a refresh date after QSO to get the QSO list up to date, and also enable auto search from NewQTH and show recent QSO records for last 50 days, and also show the mobile and portable QSOs, and enable the satellite mode. All other checks are as default. So when we return to NewQSO, the difference here is the state column. If you click the text state, it turns to DO key. That's the German system. Similar to the state, you can collect DO keys. That happens also if you put the German call sign, when here, and you see it's turned automatically to the DO key, and then you get the info fetch from NewQTH. You get the DO key number here, and locator and other texts. And at this area we have a new button here, show locator on map. Now when we have a locator here and we have set down our own locator in preferences, we can click this button, and okay, there it is. It shows the QSO path over the map and the direction. So that's useful if you like to see some geographical information about the QSO. Then the satellite mode enables two tabs here. If you work satellites, you can select the satellite name for the QSO, the RX frequency, because they always use different RX and TX frequencies, and select the RX frequency for DX spots if you like to announce them. And there is local oscillator configs. You can put the frequency values here. But what is useful for all of us is the propagation selector here. Let's imagine that this was a 6 meter QSO, and we did it via the sporadic key. So we can have a sporadic key mark in the QSO record. So then we save, just don't save it yet. We have something to show you. We can change the locator of our own by pressing Ctrl and L, and we can change our own locator here if we are in different locator than our preferences, and we don't have any profile set here, because profiles can also change the locator. But we can put the temporary locator change via the Ctrl L. I don't change it now. And the other one that is very useful if you work in a club station or use a special call sign and do the log for the special call sign, you can press Alt, and O, Alt O, and you can change operator of this QSO and the future QSOs. So if it's empty, the operator is same as your call sign in preferences, but you can put here another call sign, or just name if it's in case of the second operator that doesn't have own call sign. You can put his name here and get it in the log. So that's very useful to have operator here. Let's put it like OH1 KJ here. That is my XYL's call sign. So we see the operator is now OH1 KJ, and we save the QSO like this, and check the QSO list is now updated. There is a quite wide QTH column here, but if we press the auto size button, the width of the columns are fixed for the longest text there exists. And now we can open the preferences and take the visible columns here, and we like to see the propagation, we like to see the locator, and we like to see DO key, and also the operator's name here, or the call sign. We save it like this, and now we can see there's locator, propagation mode, DO key, and the operator, and we can change the order of these by dragging these columns here. We get the order fixed. So these are the new things for the NewQSO. I think that is all. So we continue with the next video.